Jupiter transit in Gemini. Fortune planet, Jupiter's move to opportunity driven sign Gemini remains most beneficial 12 months for prosperity, success, and expansion. The mighty Jupiter, the planet of fortune, wisdom, expansion, and divine grace, transits into the communicative air sign Gemini from 15th May 2025 to 19th October 2025, and again from 4th December 2025 to 2nd June 2026, following a brief retrograde, exalted phase in Cancer. The adaptable and expressive Gemini can enable Jupiter to amplify opportunities and fast track growth through connections, communication, and strategic thinking. This Adi Vega Charum fast moving transit phase delivers Jupiter's energy in a condensed span, accelerating karmic progress and breakthroughs. Jupiter in Gemini can help grow your network, finances, and vocation and achieve instant success. Jupiter in Gemini and third house of skills and efforts after 12 years catalyzes growth. After 12 years, Jupiter returns to the mutable air sign, Gemini, ruled by Mercury, the planet of intelligence, speech, and adaptability. Though somewhat challenging, the Jupiter Mercury dynamic combines Jupiter's higher wisdom with Mercury's analytical prowess to enhance your network, finances, career, and business and succeed by blending intuition with intellect. This Gemini ruled third house governs communication, skills, siblings, marketing, and mental agility. When the expansive Jupiter transits here, it amplifies your ability to express, connect, and influence. Astroveds, 40 Vedic services to Jupiter and his overlord during his transit in Gemini can help enhance skills for growth, boost exploration and creativity, expand professional network, improve communication, bring education, writing, speaking, and technical opportunities, reframe long-term goals through reflections, take calculated entrepreneurial risks. Jupiter in Gemini Nakshatras. During this period, Jupiter travels through three powerful nakshatras, Mrigashira, Ardra, and Punarvasu, unlocking spiritual and material evolution. Jupiter in Mrigashira Nakshatra. Mars ruled, star of searching. This star Jupiter combine helps desire fulfillment, growth, and success. Jupiter in Ardra Nakshatra. Rahu ruled, star of transformation. Jupiter Ardra combination channels purposeful change, wisdom, and rewards. Jupiter in Punarvasu Nakshatra. Jupiter ruled, star of renewal. Jupiter in its own star enhances regeneration, recovery, and material, spiritual prosperity. Jupiter transit, astrological significance. Jupiter in Gemini can inspire innovative thinking and consistent growth. Jupiter's aspects on 5th, 7th, and 9th houses. Libra, 5th, uplifts romance, creativity, luck, and gains. Sagittarius, 7th, enhances long-term partnerships and public image. Aquarius, 9th, blesses higher studies, fatherly relationships, and spiritual growth. Jupiter's Adi Vegacharum, fast-moving, short phase in Gemini and Cancer delivers quick experiences, lessons, and growth opportunities. Key phases of Jupiter transit. Combust phase, 9th June to 9th July 2025, Jupiter's rays hidden behind the Sun are not ideal for new ventures. Exalted phase in Cancer, 19th October to 11th November 2025, exalted Jupiter is auspicious for emotional healing and reconciliation. Retrograde phase, 11th November to 4th December 2025, Jupiter's apparent backward movement is ideal for review and spiritual realignment. Jupiter transit, most benefited. Jupiter's transit can principally enrich Sagittarius, 9th house fortune, dharma, higher learning, can magnify luck, wisdom, academic and spiritual progress. Libra, 7th house relationships, partnerships, business. Ideal for healing relationships and joint ventures. Aquarius, 11th house ambitions, social circle, gains. Supports innovation, expanding networks and manifesting dreams.